to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking maca balls. Now this is a really simple recipe. It's also good for children to make. It's a really healthy snack. It's great for parties. And if you wrap it up nicely, it can also make a great gift. Maca powder, and if you haven't tried it, I encourage you to give it a go, because besides having a really nice caramel flavour, it's also really high in essential minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and it can also improve mood as well. And the recipe also uses cinnamon, which if you have diabetes, it's a really good spice to use because it has been shown to help in lowering blood sugar. Okay, so you're going to need half a cup of almonds into the blender, half a cup of walnuts, and I'm using half a cup of dates, which I've soaked in boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes. That helps to soften them so they'll blend easily. And if you did want to lower the sugar content of this recipe, you could use prunes instead of dates because they have half the sugar of dates. But I find that the flavour of the date goes really well with the flavour of the maca. So I like to use dates in this recipe. So you've just got to drain the dates first. So I've drained the dates, and I'm just going to put it in the blender. So now I'm just adding a tablespoon of the maca powder. And now we have a teaspoon of cinnamon. And there we go, like that. And now all you have to do is blend it until it becomes a firm paste. So that's been blending for a couple of minutes and it's a smooth paste. So now we just want about a teaspoonful of mixture, which we'll roll into a ball. Now of course it's fine like that, but if you want to make it just a bit more special, you just put an indentation in the ball and you can put something in, like a piece of ginger or maybe an almond or any other fruit or nut that you prefer. Then just close the mixture over and roll it out again. So you just end up with a ball. Fun and decorate the maca balls. I've just got some chocolate that I've just melted over the stove. Now of course you could eat it just like that, it's fine. But if you just want to make it a little more special, or you want to use it for a party or for a gift for somebody, or if you just want to have some fun with the kids or whatever, you can decorate these. So a good way is just to dip them into some melted chocolate like that, and then you can just decorate them however you like. Say a piece of ginger, or you could use grated chocolate as I have here, or anything else that you like. Okay, and another really nice effect can be achieved by putting a little maca powder in a fine sieve and just lightly dusting the tops. It gives a nice, sort of like a gold dust effect. Another thing you can do if you want to make an extra special gift for someone, dip the entire thing in melted chocolate and then you can just roll it in grated chocolate or maybe coconut or whatever you like, or just leave it plain and then just allow that to set and you'll have a nice gift or a treat. So I've just set those in the fridge and here are my maca balls ready to eat. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.